Some of the biggest celebrities in the world are being forced to evacuate over what's being called the third biggest fire in California history. Oprah, the queen of daytime TV, took to Twitter to write that the winds are creating a perfect storm of bad as the massive wildfire bears down on her residents. Lowe already faced a similar situation. He posted an image to Instagram showing the flames behind his house, and he asked for everyone to pray for Santa Barbara. He also tweeted days before that he was evacuating. Even singer Katy Perry let her fans know that her family was evacuating the horrible blaze. She wrote on Twitter that the Thomas Fire had kicked up once again, and she's praying for the firefighters and first responders as they fight it back as best they can. Our hearts go out to everyone affected by this terrible tragedy. From famous and wealthy to the latest belfie, subscribe and like us to get the best celebrity news in the game.